Hello friends. Hello friends, you are all watching Santhosh Technical YouTube channel. Today's topic: how to install an Linux in Android mobile without root. For this, we have to download four apps. They are Linux, Hackers Keyboard, Termets, VNC Viewer. You can download from Play Store or otherwise I will give links in the description. Let's start the topic. First go to your Termets app application, clear that, clear command I'm giving, then type apt update, pt update and apt upgrade. It is working right now. It will take 1 minute. It is upgraded and updated. Now we have to go to an Linux app, open dashboard. You can see here three lines. Click on that, go to dashboard, choose we have to install only Linux, so we can tick there. Okay, then copy the command and go to Termets app, paste there. A script is installed. To start this, dot slash start dash kali dot sh. The program will show like this: root at the rate of local host. Then go to second option, desktop environment option, choose Kali Linux and choose first one recommended. Then copy this command, paste in the localhost. You can see here it is working right now. Packages are installing. This will take 10 to 15 minutes for installing. After installation, we can use that desktop, Kali Linux desktop without PC. It will work on not rooted mobiles also. It is installing right now. After that, it is installed in background. First you have to go Hackers Keyboard and enable that keyboard. That's all. Go to now VNC Viewer. Tap on these three lines. You have to sign in there. Set the password and go to Termets. This is not installed right now. It will take some time to install that. It is installing. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, it is installed. You can see root localhost. Already VNC root localhost. You can see here one localhost IP address. It will create one IP. Copy that, where it will show their copy one only. And if you not show this, VNC server is not started. You have to type this command, VNC server dot start. You can see it is already started. Sorry, command is wrong. Type VNC server without space server dash start. Yeah, it is already running. My IP address is 1. Then go back VNC server. Here we can see plus symbol. Tap there and paste here localhost 1. Then you can type any name here to. Yeah, it is saved. Then you have to connect this. Yeah, it is connected. You have to type their password, what you have set, created UNC account, that password only. Then continue. We can see your desktop is created. You can run Linux. I will show how to install tools in our next video. This is the process to install an Linux in Android mobile. It is works in non-rooted also. If you like this video, please like, friends. Thank you for watching my video. For more new upgrades, you can subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell symbol to reach you very fast as soon as my notifications. Thank you, friends, watching for my video.